This time, we're gonna show you how to remove the default password from the screen of your Samsung A56. Keep in mind that this procedure will erase everything stored in your phone's memory, so it's a good idea to remove your SIM card and memory card first. In some cases, you need to connect your USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files, or anything like that. So whichever method works for you, leave it in the comments to help other people as well. What do you need to do? You're gonna press the volume down and power buttons together until the device restarts. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. Let's wait here for a few seconds. It's a good idea to keep track of the exact timing as the device restarts. Now release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can do this unlocking remotely. Our number will be in the video description. Okay? Once you get to this screen, you don't need to connect the cable. We're going to scroll down to the fifth option where it says wipe data factory reset by pressing the volume down button and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, we scroll down with the volume down button and confirm with the power button as well. Now we just need to wait for this next screen to appear so we can continue with the unlocking process. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and leave a like, which really helps us out, okay? On this screen here, all you need to do is confirm with the power button, and now your device is being unlocked, formatted, and restored to its original factory settings. It will go back to having the default screen password. Then you just need to set it up as usual, and you'll be able to use your device again. If it asks for a Google account and you don't have one, as I mentioned, we can perform this procedure remotely as well. Our number is in the description, so you can check the price for unlocking, okay? If this video helped you, and if you are able to, you can make a contribution to our channel. Our Pix is in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give. What matters is your help and your support. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.